This brand is made in the USA by the Airlab Inc. and is sold online through Home Depot and Amazon. The units have modern styling and enhanced air circulation from the vertical discharge of the cool air. They have a 3-speed fan with an antimicrobial mesh filter and an optional carbon filter subscription service. The units have a 12 EER efficiency rating and use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant, as well as having a carbon offset partnership with EcoCart. The air conditioners use 115-volt power and are available in 3 sizes, but they are relatively expensive and their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. The units are quiet in operation with a noise rating roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator, and they offer a free 30-day risk-free trial. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.